linear fashion. So x cube, x square, x and x raised to 0, right? And here x square plus bx plus c as it is. So first with first you get ax, and the answer is ax cube. Here ab x square, then cab over here, then cax over here, and then subtract it, some sign change. You get ab minus ab x square plus b minus ac into x minus c. Now again first with first you get minus ab. Okay, so answer what you get in the second line is minus ab x square minus ab square x minus abc. Multiply this full with minus ab. Change the signs. What you get remainder is this first is gone. Second, for x what you get is b minus ac plus ab square, b minus ac plus ab square into x, and here minus c plus abc, right? Now it is given that it's exactly divisible, it means remainder will be 0. Now remainder will be 0 means what? B minus AC plus AB square is 0, and ABC minus C, this one, is also equal to 0. So let's solve this. What is required? We require AB, right? So CC gone. Solve this, any one of these two or both if required. So this is not required in present case. This we have to see, do the judgment, and here it's easier. C, if you take C common and outside, then C is 0. Therefore ABC minus C equals to 0. Therefore ABC equals to C. CC gone. AB equals to 1. That's the required answer. AB equals to 1. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.